Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use iMessage on Windows PC. Pro tips step by step clearly. To use iMessage on your Windows PC, you'll need to follow a few steps to set it up properly. Begin by ensuring that your iPhone is compatible and has iMessage enabled. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app and scroll down to Messages. Make sure that iMessage is turned on. Next, you will need to install an application called an emulator on your Windows PC. One popular choice is an emulator called Cider or iMessage. Search for the emulator's website and download the latest version. Once downloaded, install the emulator by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open the emulator and sign in with your Apple ID. Next, you need to configure the emulator to connect to your iPhone. On your iPhone, go back to Settings, and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select name, phone numbers, email and ensure your email is linked to your iMessage. Now, go back to the emulator on your Windows PC. You may need to enter the same Apple ID credentials to link your devices. Once connected, you should see your iMessages appear in the emulator interface. To send a message, click on the text box and type your message. Select the recipient from your contact list or type in their number. Hit send, and your message will be delivered through iMessage. If you want to receive messages, keep the emulator running on your PC. Now you can seamlessly chat with your friends and family using iMessage on your Windows PC. Enjoy chatting with the convenience of a desktop interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.